Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the language in Microsoft Excel in a few easy steps. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. First, open Microsoft Excel like me, and now go in File here in the super menu and go in Options here. And it appears this Windows, and now you need to click here Language. And from here actually you can choose on which language you want to set up your Microsoft Excel, and by clicking this arrow you can choose a random languages like Hindi, Greek, Latin, Spanish and others. But let's say we want to add the Russian. We've already have it here. So if you want to set up your language to Russian, just select it like this, and now click on set as default. It appears this message, just ignore it, and also make the same with these two boxes, display language and help language. Make it the same, set as default, click OK. And then Microsoft Office is saying that please restart Office so that your language change can take effect. Yeah, we'll do it now. So restart, close Microsoft Excel, and now open it again, Excel, and as you can see our language is changed to Russian. So that was how to change the language, how to set up a new language or other language in Microsoft Excel. And it was easy, it's not complicated. As I said, everyone can do it. So if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, don't be hesitate to leave them down in the comments, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.